This film is all about our Looked After Children event. This is where we bring children and young people together from all over South Wales to share experiences, talk about what it's like to be in care, and to think through what we could do to make the care experience as good as it can be for every child and young person.
It's the coming together of the young people. It's empowering for young people.
We've all gone through all the same situation, we all had the same experiences.
It's been really good getting to meet new people and getting involved in activities I usually wouldn't get involved in.
It's nice to see how other systems work, and it makes you appreciate your system more.
It's great for the young people just to see other young people in care and to share stories and experiences.
You kind of have a connection with those people.
You get to meet other people and you get to hear like what your role is.
It's nice to meet because they're like in the same kind of boat as me, and it's quite nice to know there's other people out there.
I also managed to crack my all-time scare phobia of climbing, so...
You get to learn about different things that's happening and what changes are going to be improved and things like that.
It helps me build up confidence to go out, do new things and meet new people that I wouldn't meet on a day-to-day basis.
They want to be listened to, and they want to be able to talk to people that they trust and respect. You've got to know that whatever you're facing at the moment, you know that there's other people in the country that you're facing as well.
You understand each other's struggles and each other's good days and bad days, and it's really nice to just be able to share that with each other.